Let's go back. Oh, the baby.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, me and my friend Bria are going to the Coca-Cola factory. So I'm gonna take you guys with me and we're gonna check it out. So stay tuned.
This tastes like mint, like tastes like toothpaste.
This one's good.
Tastes this one.
Ew! It does taste like mouthwash or something.
This tastes like a squeezed, like a fruit.
It doesn't taste like anything. Taste it. It doesn't taste like anything, or am I crazy?
I feel like there's fruit in there.
You can have a regular Coke too? Thank you.
Can I get a ah? And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the vault. Holding the only handwritten copy of the Coca-Cola secret formula. We brought it here in honor of our 125th anniversary because there's no place like home. Please feel free to take photos and videos, but we do ask that you do not cross this red and white striped line. We ask that you do not cross this red and white striped line.